So Pedro, and thank you to Professor Jan Capri and co-workers to invite me to this interesting conference. It is kind of the biggest lecture title I ever had to cover here. So basically what we are going to do in 45 minutes or so is to cover the entire globe in terms of plasticity in response to resistance training. That is, addressing the effect of resistance training on muscle size, but also on neuromuscular function, and in fact also tendon behavior and tendon morphology. And we will do that by addressing the effect of resistance training both in young, untrained individuals, but also in athletes, in patients, and elderly, and even frail old individuals. So I'll try to make this run. As probably most of you are aware, we have kind of broad spectrum effects of resistance training on the systems of the human neuromuscular system. We can affect, which I will show you in the subsequent slides. We can affect muscle size very much so. Structure also. We can affect not only sizes of muscles. We can also, in fact, do changes in terms of muscle architecture, which I will not address today in deep detail. At least we will also get around how resistance training can affect tendon function and why these changes can be quite important, not only to athletes, but maybe also to non-athletes. And finally, in this lecture, we will be addressing the aspect of resistance training on neuromuscular function, with a special focus on explosive muscle strength, which of course is highly essential to athletes, but also in old adults for preventing falls, or at least reversing falls, reducing the risk of falls. So this knowledge, the knowledge about the positive effects of resistance training, all these systems in the human body, has been known for a while among athletes, and especially some athletes more than others have been using strength training very much to increase muscle size, improve neuromuscular function, and reduce injury risks, and simply to boost or enhance performance within their sports. The soccer players, which you see on the right-hand side here, however, may not have that strong of a tradition for strength training in there, but it's slowly starting to become introduced, and quite a few of high-level soccer players do have positive benefits from this type of training.